Starting a little backyard summer project. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up, all these weeds out of here, get this down to dirt, and then put some gravel and rocks in here. We also gotta find these drains here.
Got it.
Looks like we got a couple extra workers coming. Making good progress in his area. You got a nice progress over here, getting your weeds cleaned up. Making good progress in your area, buddy. I like it. Good job, guys. Keep going. Making good progress, dude. Good job. Got a big old pile right there. And we'll figure out something else. Good. Bang.
It's like something.
Bang. Oh, sorry.
Daddy, you know this is a rake?
Do a little more fine tuning with the weed whacker real quick. You got two wagons full, about 12 by 50. 5 times 12 is 60. Ooh, monster beetle. Almost smacked him. All right, I'm gonna mix up some solution here. The area is now sprayed, cleared, all the weeds removed. It's ready for the fabric. Home Depot and get the weed stop fabric. I just got back from Home Depot.
Oh, this is sick. It's like a circle. I love you, Gabby.
I love you too. So that we could do this.
Right here, guys, is a big chunk of weeds I'm about to put in the bucket. So let's go.
Okay. Thank you for your cleanup.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
Ready, set, go.
I make sure there's no waste.
I'm gonna roll the other half and then we're all gonna hammer in the stakes. Great progress so far.
Big ass snap. Oh, how is he?
There it is, sir.
Can I try one more time?
When it's your turn again. Keep going. Right, we're officially all set up, completely covered. We set these 2 pins out here. We have 1 pin there and 1 pin there. We're gonna measure and see how deep it is right there so we can kind of average it with how high we're gonna bring it up against the house and on the fence. That's level enough for our intents and purposes. So we got about 7 inches there. Right there we got like 8.5 inches, okay. About 3 inches to the side. Yeah, 3 inches. 3 inches on each side and 8 in the middle, and order 5 inches deep. Touching, so we got 9 feet. Try it right here. This is bigger than 9 feet. And this one's 12 feet. So 9 and 12, and we'll do 11 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 times 5 is 40. This is 43. 43 by 11, 5 inches deep. But we just kind of got everything cleaned up and organized, and yeah, this is all cleaned out. This is all cleaned out. That's all cleaned out back there. And all the way through here. You can actually walk through here. It's not like a little jungle anymore. All the trash has been gotten rid of that needed to go to the dump. Just feeling good back here, dude. This looks like a lot, man. This looks like too much. Here we go. The first dump on our project. Just dump bucket number 3, and it has officially started raining. So we're getting wet now. There you go. Bucket number 5. Serious face. We got this front part all leveled out to our pink string right there that you can see. And that's what happens when you forget to push record. That was bucket number 6. Push. Number 8, we're gonna dump 2 more. $10 wheelbarrows down, got us that far. But my goal is to get 27 wheelbarrows back here today. I've gotten 10 so far. I'm working on my own now. The boys have abandoned ship. And I forgot to record dump 11. Oh, we're on number 11 now. I'll probably get done faster without the kids, honestly. Number 12. All right, we just dumped bucket number 13. Number 14. This is number 16.
Oh, this was way better. What number?
This is gonna be 21.
21st load.
Number 22.
Number 22!
I just dropped bucket number 23. My goal today, I think, was 27 wheelbarrows. I'm at 25 right now. It's coming together. Last load. We're gonna beat our goal by 1. We're gonna do 28 loads today.
Me and Dana got this.
I worked so hard on this all day.
Huh? What'd you say?
I said, I worked so hard on this all day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing the camera, because that's the hardest work.
That is the camera the hardest?
Yeah.
How?
I don't know.
What's Daddy doing to your yard? Careful,
My street, but we can't.
All right, let's go do some shoveling. We're getting near the end of this project. We're making progress. Looking good. Look at how small the pile is. Looks good, man. Well, guys, it's done. Get in there.